Guys, good morning everyone. My name is Gyanen from English with Village Vlog. Guys, I am telling you, if you don't have any partner, if you don't have any environment, if you don't have anyone to practice, guys, I am telling you, just do one thing. If I talk about myself, how I learn English, so of course, first I learned tenses, past tense, present time and future tense. After that, I tried to speak past time, present time and future time. So I did this type of practice. I didn't force myself that okay, Yanend, you have to learn great, so many vocabulary, so many advanced architecture. You have to improve your pronunciation. You have to learn so many. No, I didn't do anything, guys. I just made this language easy for me, without any teacher, without any environment, without any partner. I have learned English. Now I can speak English. And not only I can speak English, but also I have lots of confidence. I have gained confidence by myself. How? Being alone, being at home. So guys, if I can do, you can also do. You don't need any partner, you don't need any teacher, and you don't need anything. Just do one thing. So guys, so far suppose you have learned tenses, however you are not able to speak English. Let me tell you why. Because you don't speak. Suppose I have learned tenses, but I need practice. I need to do practice. So let's start. Suppose create so many stories and just speak on these stories, and then you just go for asking questions so that you can get to know how to tell any story, how to reply, how to ask question. Because when two people talk each other, so they just ask question. One person is supposed to ask question, one person is supposed to reply, and in reply you have to do one thing. Either you have to tell a story or you have to say yes or no. So in reply, how can we become perfect giving reply? So doing this thing, do like making stories and asking question by yourself. So let's start. Let me show you how. So guys, 2 years ago there was a boy named Ans. So he wanted to become a teacher. He wanted to become a teacher, but he was poor. His parents, they were poor. They used to do work in a farm. So due to which he didn't take admission in a school. But he was an ambitious boy. He didn't give his hope. He just whenever he got time, he like studied. Though he didn't have his own books, but he borrowed books from his friends. And whenever he got time, he used to study. He didn't let to know anyone that yes, I study at night. But I'm telling you, he was studying at night. Instead of sleeping, he was studying. So he was like 10 years old, but he didn't get chance to study. He didn't get chance to go to school. So guys, after 2 years, he like got confident a little bit that yes, I'm able to speak. But due to some reason, his parents passed away. So he became very sad. He thought, oh, I don't have anyone. What should I do? He was only 10 years old. Nobody was with him. And he became very sad. Anyhow, some villager, they like criminated his parents, and after that, that boy became alone. And he spent though all the money gathered by his parents. And when he didn't have anything, he was helpless. He started doing doing house chore work, going to door, and whatever he got, he just arranged some money for his food. And meanwhile, he left his study because his condition was very bad, due to which he started going outside to earn money. Sometimes he got work, sometime he didn't get work. By this way, he sometime he just slept at night without eating anything. After that, by this way, he like started earning money little bit, and by this way he just like purchased some books, and he used to study at night, and daytime he used to work. After some time, when he got confident that yes, now I can teach someone because I have some knowledge, so he called some of his villagers and he started teaching. And by this way he started teaching, and gradually he became a good teacher. And after that he started teaching not only in his village but also outside. And after that he started getting some offer from outside, from his college, from his school, and he started teaching over there. After that, so many people started approaching him, and by this way he completed his dream. So guys, no matter where you are, no matter in which condition you are, if you have passion, if you have dream, so of course you can do, you can live your life easily, you can live your life without because I know your dream can't let you sit. Your dream again push you, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. By this way you can achieve any dream. So guys, I was telling you that how you have to learn English. So I narrated a simple story. Before telling this story, I didn't have any idea about this story. However, I made. How? Because I know some structure how to speak any story. So guys, of course I'm telling you, if you do such kind of practice, no one can stop you to become fluent in English. You will realize yourself, yes, now I can speak English. Earlier I was only watching video, earlier I was writing, earlier I was reading, but now since I started doing this type of practice, now my tongue works, now my mind works. So you are going to make a habit. So after making this habit, you don't need to do anything. By listening, by talking, by in this environment, by living this kind of environment, you will become fluent in English. You will gain some confidence, and you will be able to speak this language. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe. I will make one video how to do a conversation. So please, after this video, please watch my next video. In that video I will tell you how to have a conversation with two people. So thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Bye. Will make you fluent in English soon. My fellow has come. Oh my god, my fellow, she also wants to learn English, I think. Oh my god, just go away from me. Do you want to become fluent in English? So just follow basic things. Otherwise you can't become fluent in English. Just go and grade. Why are you like kissing me?